guys, this is Brenda, also known as Broad 20. I talk about Penny Remodels today. And I have notes here because I need notes because I won't be able to memorize all this. Wanting to continue to watch my content, I usually do Dollar General, Pennies, Walmart clearance, a little bit of everything, couponing too. I've done about 5 penny remodels so far, about 5 or 6. I haven't done one recently because of the pandemic and stuff. So I have a video that I'm gonna upload about how to search, how I personally search up for pennies. Now keep in mind right now that DJ app is, I don't know, there's like, they're updating and then it's acting crazy. Right now, the pennies are showing up for 000. I'm going to show you the example in the video. And so, yeah, it's really not accurate. So the best thing to do is go to your store and usually if there's 50% tags all over the store, the day of the remodel, you're going to go that day and just, if you see tags for that, put it in your cart. And, or you could also like scan it. And if it's 000, then it should ring up a penny. There's been cases where they take it to the register and it doesn't ring up a penny, so keep that in mind as well. Now the way I do it is I basically go to any Dollar General that's going to remodel, and if I see 50% off tags, I add those in my cart. And usually the same things at different Dollar Generals penny out when they're going to remodel. It means that they're not going to sell that item, so that's why they're taking it out their store basically. And it's usually like the clothes, the shoes, the undergarments, and the home. They have like, the regular stores have a different type of home decor section, and with NCI home store, they have like an upper level type of home decor. So what I do is I add those to my cart, and then me personally, like when I've gone to remodels, they've been almost the same things has pennied out. But there'll be some things that penny out at some stores that in other stores they don't. So what I do is right now, as of February the 3rd, I think it is, February the 3rd, they are not accurate with the DJ app, so I wouldn't rely on that. But I mean, right now so far for me it's worked, where if I scan something on the app, it'll show 000, and they've been a penny at the register. But I've seen cases where they've told me that it would ring up 000 in their app, they take it up to the register and it's full price. So keep that in mind. Now it does require, I personally prefer to do my legwork than do the searching from store to store to see which ones are 01 right now. Anyways, that's not inaccurate anyways to do it currently. But I do a lot of the ones that I found, I've done legwork on them. Yeah, if you see a whole bunch of 50% off tags throughout the store that you don't see at other Dollar Generals, that means that one's gonna come up for a remodel soon. So you might want to keep an eye on that in the next few weeks, because that will remodel soon. And the best way to know when a store is gonna what I do is I've asked employees, hey, I try to like hold a conversation. Hey, so I see y'all have a whole bunch of 50% off tags, and I haven't seen that in other Dollar Generals, so are y'all closing, or something like that? I don't want to say, are y'all remodeling? So and some of them will say, yeah, we're remodeling, and this and that, but some of them, they're like taught not to say nothing. So yeah, luckily I've had, out of like the few people that I've asked before to get prepared for a remodel, they've told me, hey, yeah, we're remodeling on the beginning of next month, or whatever the case may be. So I keep an eye on that, and I do go several times to check how I've known to be lucky on a remodel. When I know that store's gonna remodel, it usually remodels on a Sunday. And how I know that it's gonna remodel that Sunday is on Friday. Usually, and it's not always the case, but the majority of the time that I've done it, the frozen items have gone to 50% off that Friday. So usually when they've gone to 50% off that Friday, I know that that's gonna remodel that Sunday. So that's how I know. And how I check how I confirm that it's Penny that morning of Sunday is I stay up late at night Saturday night, and around 2 a.m. is probably the most accurate time to check. I'll check, and if it's 01, that means I'm gonna wake up bright and early that Sunday and be there at the crack of dawn, waiting at the door for that store to open. And so yeah, that's how, and it's always worked out for me. They have, converted into remodels or pennies when I've gone. I've gone lucky on all the ones I've gone. And also another way to know is when there's containers outside, the big old containers, as I'm gonna post here, that means they're coming up for a remodel, and in some cases they are already remodeled. Like the other day, I went to a store for the 50% off clearance. Last week I think it was. I came across the store that recently remodeled. My heart sank, but oh well. I mean, you win some, you lose some. Right now with the app, if it's showing 000, it's a little not working right. So with the 000, that means it's Penny. But like I said, a lot of people have had bad luck with that. And also, I personally scan the whole store because even if they don't have a 50% off tax, I've been lucky enough to find a lot of pennies like that morning, just penny out. So I scan the entire store until my battery runs out. And it's also good to bring a power bank, a backup battery, because you're going to need it. All that scanning, it drains your battery. And then also throughout the week, I'm going like 3 to 4 times that whole week to just double check of if that's a store that I even want to go to. Because usually when one store pennies out, there's multiple stores in that area that are pennying out or that are gonna penny out that same day. So I actively search to check around which ones are looking, the tags are 50% off. If like the stuff on the list, if those look like 50% off, that means that those will remodel soon, usually. Now, and the stuff that usually remodels are the party section, home section, the undergarments, the clothes, the workout clothes, shoes, select foods, because a lot of NCIs don't really, they sell like a different type of foods. The dollar section, wallets, jewelry, but I would check the whole store. Hair dyes, makeup, I check the whole thing, and I've gotten anything, paper towels, toilet paper. You want to make sure you get there early. If the store opens at 8 o'clock, I try to be there at 7:30, but I've known people that they are there earlier. And you also want to make sure you take a friend, a family member, or somebody. Always go with the partner, because there's people that travel for remodels. I personally don't travel. The farthest I've been to a remodel has been an hour and a half probably, but people they travel up to 4 hours, sometimes even longer, to a remodel. But those people don't know what they're expecting that Sunday. Like, they don't know. I mean, I personally wouldn't, but I've seen people that the travelers that I've seen, they don't go and scope out the store a few days before. A few days before to see what they have. Usually the people that live closer are the ones that probably get a bigger hit, because they know if you've already went to go scope your store out, you already know what you're looking for, and they don't know the store or how it is inside, so they just go in there and start looking lost, basically. Another thing that I've noticed a lot is people are starting to be messy with remodels. They go in groups. I've seen people block rows and won't let nobody get through. I've seen people block the entrance and won't let people go in. They'll let their people go in first. And I've heard some horror stories. Let me just say that nothing personally has happened to me, personally. I've gone with a friend, and I'm gonna post a video probably towards the end. But I've gone with a friend, and the only thing that's happened to me before, or one time, and it was the only time that it's happened. We were waiting in line, and then there was people ahead of us. A lady with two other people. It was three people together. So they were ahead of us, and me and my friend were next in line behind them. And then there is, I think, like three more people behind us. So as soon as the doors open, I'm sorry, the people in front of us, they were together and they grabbed three carts. And so there was only uh, two carts left after them. So they only had like five carts in there. So I grabbed my cart, and then my friend, she was grabbing her cart, and then the people behind, they try to grab her cart as well. And my friend was like, this is my cart. And so we got our cart because that's the order we were in, basically. So they didn't have a cart, and they were like okay with it. I mean, what can you say, right? But I've seen a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of bad stories about remodels, and I don't see them getting any better either. So yeah, make sure you always take a partner, your spouse, a friend, a child if they're old enough. That's gonna help you scan and put in your cart. And also another thing is take your own storage. Don't walk in with it, of course, but keep maybe a storage in your vehicle or some trash bags. So if you do get lucky, you have stuff to put them in. Because the last remodel I went to, I took a big old tote or a few totes actually, and so when I left the store, I put all my stuff in the totes, and it was easier to me to get off the truck. I left the store with bags. They were in bags, but then I eventually did go back in my truck and took my tote down and started throwing my bags in there. And I am going to show a video of me and my friend when we were on our last remodel, which was so fun. So much fun. But yeah, that's usually my experience with remodels. If you do want to continue to watch videos such as this on remodels, please let me know in the comments. Or if you have any type of questions about remodels, please let me know in the comments and I will answer you. Thank you, and till next time. So here's a few pictures of stuff I've gotten throughout my remodel journey, I guess you can say. I've gotten plates, Tupperware, pads, paper towels, toilet paper, shampoo, coffee pods, hair coloring, shoes, home decor. I've gotten makeup as well. I've gotten hair accessories, bed sheets, pillow sheets, pads, dog food, really a lot of stuff. And also my favorite find was the coffee pods. And here are other two carts of mine. I've gotten toilet paper, Scott, which is my favorite toilet paper, snacks as well. If you want to go ahead and follow me, please subscribe. And here's some more visuals. Towards the end, there is one of the hauls that me and my friend did together. Thank you for watching, guys.